All of you welcome in our first period of mathematics paper 2 same 2. We will study the paper partial differential equations. First we will see unit 1 Papian differential equation, or it is also called as total differential equation. First we will see the definition of the Papian differential equation. The differential equation of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz equal to 0. Equation 1. The equation of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz equal to 0 is called Papian, or we can say total Papian or total partial differential equation. In the three variables x, y, z. In three variables x, y and z. Now here this p, q, r are the functions of x, y, z, where p, q, r are the functions of x, y and z. Now this equation 1 p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0 can be written in more convenient form as equation 1 can be expressed as x dot dr equal to 0, where this x equal to, this x is the vector, r is the vector. Here I make r as a bold and x as a bold because x and r are the vectors. Therefore x is given by the vector capital PQR and dr equal to dx dy dz. Therefore x dot dr, if I take the dot product of this one and this one, you will get the equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. Then we see the next definition: exact or integrable partial differential equation. The equation 1 is said to be exact or integrable if the left hand side is equal to total differential of some function f. F is the function of x, y, z. The PDE1 is said to be exact if p into dx plus q into dy plus r into dz equal to d, that is the total differential of f df, where f is the function of x, y, z. That is, if the left hand side of the differential equation 1 is equal to total differential of some function f, then it is said to be integrable, or we can say exact. To get idea of this, we take the example of exact differential equation. Let x twice x dy twice x dx plus 4y dy plus 6x dz equal to 0. Now here p equal to twice x, q equal to 4y and z equal to r equal to 6z. Now we can write here we have twice x dx plus 4y dy plus 6x dz equal to, we can write it is the total differential of x square plus 2y square plus 3z square. If we take the derivative of this function f, we get twice x plus 4y plus 6z, which is nothing but this, where f is given by this bracket on the right hand side, where f equal to x square plus 2y square plus 3z square, which is the function of x, y, z. Hence this equation is expressed as a total derivative of function f. Therefore it is the exact differential equation. Implies this is an exact differential equation. Now then we see the condition of integrability of this equation, when this equation is integrable, or we can say when this equation is solvable. Condition of integrability. The PDE P into dx plus q into dy plus r into dz equal to 0 is integrable if and only if x dot curly x equal to 0, x dot curly x equal to 0. Which is the necessary and sufficient condition. Necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation to be integrable. The PDE pdx plus qdy plus rdz equal to 0 is integrable if and only if x dot curl x equal to 0. That is, now here we have where x equal to, this is the vector pqr. Therefore x dot curl x equal to 0 implies, we can write this in the determinant form. Now this is given by x dot curl means del cross x del cross x. Therefore, here is x is given by PQR. This del is given by del x, del y, del z. Again, this x is given by PQR. Now, solving this determinant, you know how to solve. Equal to 0, x dot curl x equal to 0. Therefore, we have p into, drop this column, we have del y of r. Therefore, we have ry minus del z of q. Therefore, qz. The middle is minus, you know, minus of q into, drop this middle column, del x of r, that is rx, del z of p, that is pz, plus r into, drop the last column, del x of q, qx, minus del y of p, py, equal to 0. Now I multiply this equation by minus, multiplying by minus 1. Therefore, we have p into qz minus ry. We make here plus and this minus. Here we make plus q into rx minus pz plus r into, here we make plus and minus. Therefore, py minus qx equal to 0. Now, which is the condition for integrability? That is x dot curl x. This is reduced to p into qz minus ry plus q into rx minus pz plus r into py minus qx equal to 0.